Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to move your Cardano, ADA, from Revolut to Uphold in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, helping you manage your crypto assets more effectively. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just exploring new platforms, transferring ADA is straightforward once you know the ropes. But remember, crypto transactions involve risks like fees and potential errors, so let's dive in carefully. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Revolut account with ADA in your crypto wallet and an Uphold account with a funded wallet address ready. Also, ensure you're using the correct blockchain network. Cardano uses its own, so double-check that to avoid any issues. This is crucial because mismatched networks can lead to lost funds. Now, let's get to the steps. Start by logging into your Revolut app or website. Navigate to the Crypto section, where you'll see your ADA balance. Select ADA from your holdings and choose the Withdraw or Send option. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's wallet address. Copy and paste your Uphold ADA wallet address carefully to prevent mistakes. Next, you'll need to specify the amount you want to transfer. Enter the exact figure, keeping in mind any minimum withdrawal limits Revolut might have, and review the estimated network fees. These fees can vary based on blockchain congestion, so it's smart to check them beforehand. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Save that for your records. After sending, head over to your Uphold account to monitor the deposit. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. Once it arrives, you'll see your ADA balance updated. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication and verify addresses to keep your assets secure. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Cardano from Revolut to Uphold in 2025. It's a simple process, but staying vigilant is key to avoiding common pitfalls. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.